समय में बोलते ना crazy हो गया है।
Crazy भाई।
That experience has been crazy. Being the winner of the show, वही show controversy में आया। That was the first episode which got deleted.
When you were on stage, what was going on in your mind?
To be very honest, जब मैं stage पर गया, I was
He has the only assistant dog in India currently.
9 minus 6.
about 11 years ago. Shamak Davar. Karan is an angel in his life. ऐसा उन्होंने बोला. And the very next day, basket में there was a puppy.
How is dating life as a disabled person?
प्यार तो प्यार होता है. भले लग रहा हूँ मैं, लेकिन प्यार भी इंसान से अंधे होते हैं. करना था. And I matched with a girl. And I told her I will come in the most sexiest four-wheeler you will ever see. So I come over there. She was amazing. This is already.
He just talks like a bevda, but he is not.
People on wheelchair are not just only vegetables. I lost my brother.
Dog psychologists and dog trainers, what are the differences?
Behaviorist when it comes to एक चीज पता है, आज नहीं तो कल मरना है. खाओ पियो फूको ऐश करो मत जाओ. Don't let your disabilities stop you. So there are pros and cons. Focus on the pros, fuck the cons. Live your life.
Really an inspiration, honestly, in India. Unfortunately, there are not a lot of treatment, support systems for disabled people. How has your experience been, like during India's Got Talent, and after that? How did this go?
और समय में बोलते ना crazy हो गया है कुछ. So my experience has been crazy.
Okay.
Like legit on the platform. I mean, it was a very good experience for me. And so the experience has always, it has been very good. I just thought that, it's a platform to show people what I do. To show that people on wheelchair are not just only vegetables. We are way beyond that. So एक वो करने को भी मिल गया. And of course, I was also able to showcase my work, what I have done with Angel over the past years. So I felt that platform has made me reach a lot of people across India.
Based on your speciality, which is you're an animal behaviorist.
Yeah.
Basically. Okay, when you were on stage during India's Got Talent, how was it? What was going on in your mind?
See, to be very honest, I was not prepared to perform.
Okay.
It was like कि कल performance है मेरा, आज शाम को मुझे phone आया कि मुझे कल आना है perform करना. So I legit had like 24 hours to do something. Not even 24 hours, I would say 12-13 hours मेरे पास था to set up the whole thing and go perform वो सब चीजें था. And that happened because of the reels that I was doing on Instagram. It was a little dark humor, but good dark humor sort of a thing. जब मैं stage पर गया, I was numb. Like this is the platform I have been looking at, which has made me laugh, made me feel light. And now I'm on that same platform, performing something. Of course, it was a very big thing for me. So, thoda numb tha main. I was a little anxious, you can say. But as in when we started going with the flow, I think I was okay later on.
Okay, that's great. Based on what's happening right now, you must be aware. Do you have any opinion on that?
See, whatever is happening, I think that is what the majority are feeling as जो भी है. मेरे लिए तो it was very simple. That for me it was just a platform to showcase my skills, and that is what I have done. उसके beyond I have nothing else to say.
And to be very honest, even for me, if I'm bringing the contestants of India's Got Talent, it's not like I'm trying to get the controversy and get my videos viral.
Yeah.
It's not that. It is basically in India's Got Talent, you find a lot of talented people as well.
A lot.
Like you see, I did a podcast with Bhavya Shah. Really talented people. You're not just a stand-up comedian. You perform there as a stand-up comedian, but you are a animal behaviorist. And also like you are disabled, you've gone through your journey. Through you, lot of disabled Indians can get empowered.
Yeah.
So, my job as a podcaster is to empower the Indian and the international humans. That's it. It's not even, I wouldn't even say youth, right? In
Yeah.
any way.
Yeah.
Did you used to watch India's Got Talent a lot?
A lot.
A lot.
I used to.
You used to enjoy?
Yeah. I used to.
You used to enjoy. Okay. Now that the videos are deleted, I want to just know your honest feeling. Not like, I'm not telling you're going to support someone. Nothing like that. And whatever the government is taking action, we both are like
Yeah.
completely fine with it.
Yeah. I 100%.
Yeah, because the government is at the top. Whatever they take decisions, and it's also the public.
Yeah.
It's the whatever they choose the most, whatever they feel right.
Yeah.
We suppose that's better for us.
Yeah.
Is keeping that on the side note.
Yeah. True.
So, how do you feel that it's gone? India's got
वो एपिसोड निकलने के पहले सबसे पहले एपिसोड जो निकला वो मेरा था. Okay, like my episode was out on Sunday. Sorry, Saturday. Sunday था, Monday को गायब. Okay, so बाकी सब episodes तो ठीक है. When I was on it and when it got deleted, I was heartbroken, to be honest. You know, मुझे तो ऐसा लगा कि मैं शो में गया and I only disabled the show. ऐसा लगा. I mean, it was my hard work. I know, भले मेरे को सिर्फ I just got 12 hours to prepare for it. But in that 12 hours, I did not take a single break. You know, it was 12 hours of constantly making my set, making angel work, putting in a lot of efforts for that. So, of course, थोड़ा दर्द होता है because that platform has somewhere or the other given me some recognition on social media to people. And I feel it's a platform where, you know, I went on stage and they are not like, अरे बेचारा आया है, like देखो दूसरा हरामी है, you know, like we are equal. I am not treated as a disabled on that set. You know, that is probably whether it was me, Bhavya Shah, Kunal Kushal, I forgot his name, another guy, I think Kushal, something, even he's blind. I'm sorry, yaar, bhai, I forgot your name. Kushal Bansali, he was there. Even he was this thing. We, at least मैं मेरा बता सकता हूँ, and I'm pretty sure even they would agree to this. When we went on stage, we did not for a single felt that we are being treated differently, abled or disabled. You know, Samay was talking to an XYZ contestant the same way. He spoke the same way to me. मुझे वो एक सेकंड भी ऐसा नहीं लगा that I'm disabled over there. So of course our episodes delete हुआ है and the feeling which I got over there, how the crowd made me feel very normal in that atmosphere, it definitely hurts there. But of course it is the decision of government and I will respect that.
And we respect that totally.
Yeah, so it is what it is.
Yes.
Though I feel bad, but government है, what they feel right, with all my support, my respect.
Yes,
I guess.
Because whatever they decide, it is for our best, right?
Yeah.
So, yes. Okay. You also won the show,
Yeah,
and that just makes it worse for you.
it does. Like, you know, being the winner of the show, I thought that maybe this would be the opportunity where, of course, you know, who does not want to get famous? Even I would have loved to get famous. But more than being famous, I think it would have helped me create an example कि हर एक बंदा व्हीलचेयर पे सिंपैथी नहीं चाहता है, you know. लेकिन being the winner of the show, वही show controversy में आया, उसके अंदर ही सब चीजें हुई, and that was the first episode which got deleted. So a lot of heartbreaks. Probably I think this heartbreak is worse than a breakup also for me. The worst heartbreak, I would say, but it is what it is.
After getting so much of recognition,
Yeah.
suddenly everything is removed.
Cool.
And even like if you are enjoying a show so much and it's just all of a sudden gone. दर्द होता है. दर्द होता है. दर्द होता है. ठीक है. All right. Okay. Enough on the show. Let's move on.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are away from this controversy. I just want to say that we're just away from this controversy. not linked to it in any way.
Yes.
So guys, please, अगर आपको
माफ
कुछ
करना।
भी बुरा लग रहा है तो माफ कर दो
अभी से माफ कर दो।
माफ कर दो, पहले से ही पूछ रहा हूँ, ठीक है? We don't want to comment on this. We don't want to go on it even more. Okay? So, how is dating life as a disabled person?
सी प्यार तो प्यार होता है, उसके अंदर प्यार भले लंग रहा हूँ मैं, लेकिन प्यार भी इंसान से अंधे होते हैं। So dating life has been pretty good, I would say. I am a little flirty here and there. Many people would agree to that who know me, but I always respect boundaries at the same time. Just clearing it off. But dating life, मतलब देखो स्कूल से था मेरा. There was this one girl whom I had a very big crush on. अभी भी है. तो उसके ऊपर तो बचपन का प्यार होता है, वो तो आप कभी मिस नहीं कर सकते हो. But I've been on many Tinder dates, Bumble dates. I've met a lot of people. Few of them have been very funny also. Few of them have become like very serious. So there was this serious, I'll tell you a very funny incident. I matched with this one girl. She was studying mass communication and everything. उसका reporting का और वो सब वो सीख रही थी. And we matched. We were talking also. Chat पे सब bang on, it was going on so smooth. I was like, first date and we will make out. I was like that. And okay. And then, she legit bought a paper and a pen, and she's like, this is just for my assignment. Like, it needs to look that, I'm talking to someone and I'm getting some points, and you're someone on a wheelchair, so I think it would be even more beneficial for my assignment. I was like, it should be like and मेरे साथ ये interrogation वाला, and that also happened in the coffee shop, dude.
Oh my god.
मैं उधर गया, perfume लगा के, to smell good and everything, and it's like, I'll ask you questions I needed for my assignment, I have to submit it tomorrow. And I'm like, fuck, and she's like, I've already made few questions, you can see them if it's okay. And do you mind if I record it? I'm like, okay, अभी मैं क्या कर, like, it was so awkward for me. फिर once I did one experiment. मैंने ना मैं Tinder मैंने क्या करा, एक crop top में wheelchair images सिर्फ half body रखता था, but I used to make sure ये नहीं दिखे पीछे का. मैं दूसरे wheelchair है मेरी, but this is not seen, वो थोड़ा छोटा है, और उसके ऊपर बैठ के I have a couple of images, only half body. And this was just मेरे को ऐसा क्या कहते हैं हम लोग, I can use bad words over here. मैं थोड़ा गांड मस्ती करना था, तो I kept like half body photos over there, and I matched with a girl and everything, and I told her I will come in the most sexiest four-wheeler you will ever see. So this gold digger thought, उस gold digger को लगा मैं Lamborghini में आएगा, उसको बता देंगे बंदा wheelchair पे है. And वो भी हमने बुक किया था अच्छा खासा 4-star restaurant in Bandra. She dresses up with very nice high heels, good perfume, scent, everything, smelling very good, very beautiful woman. I come over there, and she's like, ठीक है, मतलब she was like, okay, wheelchair पर आया है करके. निकलते वक्त मैंने मेरी गाड़ी बुलाई. My car is Eco. पीछे जो आपने देखा है, Eco कौन सा है, kidnapping वाला गाड़ी. She's like, अच्छा, this is your car, 4-wheeler. I said, this is my 4-wheeler, bro. She's like, what's so outstanding about this? I said, wait, I'll show you. तो सिर्फ रोड पे ऐसे गया, वापस आया. I said, how many people stared at me? She's like, a lot. I said, that is what makes this 4-wheeler special. If I go outside, people stare at me. And she was amazed, gave high. And she's like, bro, next time if you upload pictures on Tinder, you better put full this thing instead of giving wrong impressions. This was just an experiment. Don't try it. So I'm still in touch with her. We are good friends.
Crazy.
But ये हुआ था वो लड़की के साथ. Right now I'm single. My Insta username is Roly Shah. Feel free to DM me. I'm absolutely single.
Guys, you have his Instagram. You know what to do. If you're interested.
Yeah.
Let's go. Now you have full video as well. With the special 4-wheeler.
With the special 4-wheeler.
Not trying to be insensitive. We're just okay, I'm just clearing it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I had a very awkward date with a woman also. She was quite ill, and I actually sort of loved it. Like, she was to the point, bang, bang, bang. And so first she asked me, how's the relation with your parents? I'm like, boss, ये शादी वाला scene लग रहा है. The way, and she was also 35. I was like 23 or something. So बहुत difference तो था ही. And I was like, ठीक है चलना मिलते हैं क्या होगा? कुछ करना तो है नहीं. So हम लोग just मिले. Questions. And she's like, can you have sex? Like, ma'am? Like, can you have sex or are you paralyzed? I'm like, yeah, it's moving, okay. I'm not paralyzed.
Okay.
I can have sex. But why are you asking this question? She's like, I'm just curious. What all positions can you do? And I'm like, for that, let me check with my parents. Whenever they are not home, I'll give you a call. And I'll show it to you.
Oh.
And then she laughed it out.
You're a pretty flirty man then.
I've improved a lot now over the years. But yeah, I was a pretty flirty man.
Okay.
Not gonna lie.
Nice. Alright, you are a dog behaviorist. So I've heard about dog psychologists, right? And dog trainers as such. So can you elaborate on what are the differences?
Correct. So see, dog trainers, they basically have a limited knowledge. Like say for example, I bought in a puppy. मुझे उनको टॉयलेट ट्रेन करना है या I just want to teach them basic command like sit, stay down, फलाना ढिमकाना. All of those things are done by trainers. Behaviorists, when it comes, is that they work with the psychology of dogs. So say for example, you have a dog who has gone aggressive, or your dog suddenly has a behavior issue. What we do is we work on the root cause of that issue. समझो आपका डॉग कोई जगह पर टॉयलेट सडनली करने लग गया जहां वो कभी नहीं करता था. वो सॉल्व करने के तरीके 10 है, but I want to see वो 10 में से which is the perfect one, which is also resolving the root cause of that. So what we do is we go into depth of that issue. We will do different things with the dog. We will try to experiment a few things with the dog, through which we come to know, acha, because of this he started doing this. To resolve this, instead of stopping this, let me try to solve the root cause. तो ये शायद automatically बंद हो जाएगा. So we work on the root cause over there.
Okay, it's basically based on what you're saying. I'm understanding it as one step deeper than a trainer.
Deeper than a trainer.
Like going towards the root cause, not just trying to build habits for the dogs.
Correct. So it's like like we want to give a long time fix to our clients. I don't want my client coming back to me कि आपने कराया 6 महीने के बाद मेरा कुत्ता ये वापस कर रहा है. What I want to do is if I work on the root cause, I know that for the next 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, for however long that dog is there, at least वो behavior issue को लेके वो लोग वापस मेरे पास नहीं है. कि वो मैं solve करके दूंगा उधर के उधर. It's more like if you go to a psychiatrist or a therapist or something and you say कि मुझे ये है और I have anxiety, I have depression, उसका कोई root cause होता है. Something has given a birth to it. Something has triggered it. That triggering is what you need to nurture, making it mature how to deal with it. That is exactly the same thing that we do with dogs.
So an analogy to take is basically a dog trainer is someone like, okay, you can go meditate if you're depressed, or you can go work out if you're depressed. But you're like, no. Let's find out what is wrong with you, what is going on in your mind deeply, and then try to work.
Then we do it. We also work on their hormonal level.
Okay.
Sometimes there are a lot of hormones which play a very big role in their behavior.
Okay.
कभी कुछ root cause होता ही नहीं है, maybe उनका एक hormone ऊपर नीचे हो गया कोई body. So we also try to balance them out. Then we work ahead. So we do a complete proper check before we give out a behavior program to our clients.
So when did you start learning about this dog behavior and everything, and why did you start?
So this actually was not planned. I would say that this career had chosen me. I have not chosen this career. I had an elder brother, Mihi. He was also wheelchair bound. Both of us are suffering from SMS, spinal muscular atrophy. He passed away when he was 13 years old, and I was just 12.
Okay.
So 1 साल का difference था, ज़्यादा था नहीं. And एक देखो चीज होता है ना, if I'm on a wheelchair, I explain my things, so you might just be able to understand it. But when I used to share it with my brother, him being on the wheelchair, I used to feel it. तो वो explanation, communication पूरा अलग ही हो जाता है.
I got it.
So after he passed away, it put me in a very bad phase of my life, where I left my school, I left my studies. I was at home for about 2.5, 3 years. मैंने होम स्कूलिंग ही किया घर पे. वो जो लोग कहते हैं मुझे डिप्रेशन हुआ था. That was the time I actually felt it, what depression is. नहीं तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ होता है. So that phase happened, and during that time, Shamak Davar, the dancer, if you know him.
I know.
He's a very good family friend of ours. तो वो हमारे घर पे आया and he's like, why does this house not have a dog? This house needs a dog. Karan needs an angel in his life. ऐसा उन्होंने बोला. And the very next day, एक basket में there was a puppy, which was sent by Shamak Davar. So angel was gifted to me by Shamak Davar about 11 years ago. And जब angel आई, boss, life took a good reverse gear. I was becoming back on track to the Karan that I was.
Okay.
I was probably the biggest asshole in school. You can say, like, I've done a lot of things in school. I was actually the most mischievous kid in school.
Right.
You know, बहुत कांड किए, बहुत सारी चीजें.
You still are mischievous. I hope you know that. I
I'm
saw
glad.
your show and like your part in the show, and I can say
So I'm glad. I'm still mischievous.
it's good. It's good.
It's good, yeah. It's always be mischievous, be young at heart.
Yes.
So Angel आई, and then there was a time where we had to train Angel. And अचानक मेरे मॉम को याद आया था that my brother Mihi, he had seen a show of assistant dog demo in his school. That was when the first assistant dog was there, Magic,
Okay.
which was owned by a girl called Sana. I mean, she was wheelchair bound, so she had the first assistant dog. Angel is the second one. Currently the only one, because Magic unfortunately passed away. Magic is a darling of a dog. You know, you all should have met her. Like, very sweet black lab she was. So जब मिहिर ने ये show देखा था, he was amazed. And at that age, when he was 9-10 years old, 2011 when he passed, he was 13. So about 8-9 years ago, I don't remember the exact age. तब उसने मेरे डैड मॉम को बोला था कि अगर हम फ्यूचर में कभी भी डॉग लाएंगे, we will get it trained by this lady only, who trains dogs specially for people on wheelchair. Now we were in a hunt for a trainer, and my mom suddenly realized कि यार we need someone जो ये करके देगा training. Because Angel dog है, puppy है, toilet training ये वो तो चाहिए. You know, as a normal pet owner, मुझे वो चाहिए था. तो मम्मी ने बोला अरे wait, there is someone who trains dog for people especially on a wheelchair. So I googled out, and then came across Shirin Mochi. So she's like the second guru of my life. My first guru, I would say my first gurus have been my parents. Second has been Shamak Davar and Shirin Mochi, who have shaped my life. So when Shirin auntie को मैंने mail भेजा, and I told her के, and you know, I was just a kid, and I was like 14-15 years old, depressed guy. मैंने उनको लिख के भेजा, hi, I'm Karan, 14 years old. I have a dog, lab, 2 months old, want to get a train. ऐसे करके मेल मैंने उनको भेज दिया, बेसिक सा जो था. एंड शी रिस्पॉन्डेड, शिरिन आंटी ने रिस्पॉन्ड किया, एंड वी फिक्स्ड अप अ मीटिंग, एंड वो हमारे घर आए. तो शिरिन आंटी घर पे आए, एंड शी सॉ मी एंड आई एम दैट गाय डिप्रेस्ड. ऐसे मुंह करके बैठा, आई एम नॉट लाइक इवन कम्युनिकेटिंग विद हर, नॉट टॉकिंग टू हर, नथिंग. And then she told my mom that, you know, we'll train Angel as a therapy dog or as an assistant dog. तो मुझे पता नहीं था exactly ये सब क्या होता है तब. तो my brother had seen it, I never knew what these things were. तो उन्होंने बोला we will train your dog, you know, to do this. She like put clothes in the washing machine, she'll remove your socks, she'll open the door, she'll call your parents, she'll fetch the landline for you.
Crazy.
She'll fetch the keys.
Okay.
वो सब चीजें, मतलब सब सुन के I was thrilled. And I was like, this is a proper dog which I see on televisions, sort of a thing. And me being a typical Gujarati, I was like, ठीक है, आप आपकी फीस बताओ, काम करके दो. And I just told him, okay, what are your fees? He's like, no, I will not train Angel. I will not train her. I'm like, why? मतलब मैं थोड़ा सोच में, मैंने कुछ गलत बोला, मैंने कुछ, like, you want an assistant dog, you will have to train her. I'm like, man, but you know, मुझे आंटी ये चीज के बारे में नॉलेज ही नहीं है. For me, a dog is someone whom I know we call as a man's best friend. They give unconditional love, sit, stay down करते, खाते हैं, घूमते हैं. Really, इसके beyond dog का definition था ही नहीं. उन्होंने बोला नहीं. You want an assistant dog, you will train her. And she gifted me her courses. So Shirin auntie trained me
Okay,
to train Angel.
I see.
And she actually gifted me her courses. She told me, come to my course, start learning about dogs.
Okay.
And I just went, courses किए मैंने. My dad was very supportive because I was still in that phase के, I was not talking to those many people. ऐसा नहीं है कि dog आया and you suddenly come out of it. It takes its jolly good time to get out of that phase. The only thing was Angel made the process way much faster. So my dad said even he would join in for that course as a moral support. And हम लोग वो courses में गए. Shirin auntie started teaching me, guiding me, आपको क्या करना क्या नहीं. And उनके guidance के हिसाब से we started training Angel. And that is how मैं slowly इसके अंदर चलते गए. Like I went deeper into this.
How long were those courses?
So I did multiple courses over a span of good 3.5-4 years. I still learn, to be very honest.
No, but the Shirin auntie's courses.
वो ही उनके भी multiple courses हैं.
Okay.
एक trainer course, basic course होता है, एक
Okay.
advanced course होता है.
Okay.
Then there's a behavior course, there's an aggression course, there's a therapy course, then there is a scent detection course, which is an international course. There are multiple courses which I have done over the span of good 5-6 years. I still do it, to be very honest. उनके कोई भी नए courses आते हैं या कुछ भी, because I feel it is very important to keep yourself upgraded with what you are doing, and knowledge is something which never ends.
We should definitely put that link of their courses in the description.
100%.
For sure. If
100%.
it's making so much of difference.
A lot of difference.
So when you see a dog right now, you can literally understand.
I can.
What is
I can
happening?
understand the dogs. So, hota kya is, before when I teach, when
Okay.
I've started with my own courses
Oh, that's great.
for people who want to get into this field, but I would 100% recommend over me. Shirin auntie is the best person you should approach.
We'll be putting both the links. They choose whatever they
So
want.
she's
Yeah.
like my true angel in my life or since my journey.
Yeah.
Without her, I think I would have God knows where I would have been.
Got it. So let's talk about how you applied this knowledge which you got through courses on Angel, which is your assistant dog, right? First of all, let's get into what all can Angel do.
What all can Angel do?
Yeah. When you mean it's an assistant dog,
Yeah.
what are the things it does?
So Angel, see, of course, all the basic commands are there, like sit, stay, down, roll over, basic stuff to serve, hai, shake hands, wo sab. In assistant commands, the things that she's famous for because of India's Got Latent, wo to obvious hai. She removes my socks, she'll do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For anything, this ka total is up to 10 max. So that is what she's able to solve. Then अगर हमारे घर पे landline बजा, and she'll go fetch the landline, give it to me. Or if I'm on my bed and I want to turn at midnight, I cannot remove the blanket by myself. And she'll remove the blanket, I will turn, and then she'll put it back on me.
Oh my god,
That is what she does.
that's crazy.
Then she'll open the drawer, she'll remove the stuff, give it to me, I'll hand it back to her, she'll go put it back in that same place.
Oh,
So she does that.
okay.
She fetches the keys. आधी रात को समझो, this happened once. I was sleeping at night. मेरा phone bed से नीचे गिर गया. And I wanted to call my mom. कुछ तो काम था midnight को, I don't remember. I wanted to turn या कुछ help चाहिए था. Phone नीचे गिर गया. And this is where this command came in handy. So I've taught her something. I tell her in Gujarati कि Angel मम्मी के बोला. So she'll go and she barks thrice, saying that Karan is calling. So that time what she did was, from my room,
Okay.
she opened the bedroom door.
Okay.
She went outside to my parents' door.
Okay.
She barked there thrice.
Okay.
She waited, the door did not open.
Okay.
She scratched. She went into a sit position. She again barked thrice.
Okay.
The moment the mom opened the door, she came towards my room, looking at my mom, like, Karan's calling.
Got it. Oh wow. Okay.
So these are the things that she does.
Okay. The way you told me this, I can see how you're programming her. Basically, it's her form of communication is basically barks, and your form of communication to her is commands.
Commands. With Angel and me, to be honest, more than commands, we just communicate looking at each other quite often.
Okay.
उसका and मेरा bond ही वैसा है, like I don't need to tell her to do something.
Mm-hmm.
She just look at me and she knows like, okay, now no more nonsense.
Mm.
Let me settle down.
Okay.
When I'm looking at her, even I'll understand. Okay, she's feeling a little uncomfy,
Okay.
or she's hungry, or she wants water.
Okay.
Like she and I have developed that actual soulmate वाला जो bond होता है.
Got it.
Without communicating, without telling, just looking into each other's eyes, we communicate.
That is so sweet. That is so sweet. I'm jealous of you. Until I get one more angel. Yes.
Your wife needs to see this podcast.
Yeah, she will. Okay. So when you're giving commands to a dog, right? Basically, you're doing it in Gujarati.
With Angel.
With Angel.
बाकी जो clients है English, Marathi,
Okay.
Gujarati, Kutchi, whatever they are comfortable.
So basically, you're programming them in a way to like listen to you,
Yeah.
right? And you do it mostly with giving treats,
Yeah,
things like that.
always with positive
reinforcement. Okay. All right. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, right? Which is you're disabled,
My disability, yeah.
and I don't want to like create sympathy or something in this
Yeah,
podcast.
please.
I just want to be very honest and empower
Yeah.
other people who are going through the same problem. That's it.
Yeah.
That's the intention. So, were you like this when you were born?
I was like this when I was born. When my elder brother was born, he was born with a disability. By the time they were told not to go in for a second child, I was already there. So ये था, and this is called spinal muscular atrophy. So इसके अंदर होता क्या? It is a degenerating process. As in when I grow, my muscles will weaken up. Like today, I'm able to bend like this.
Okay.
I'm again able to sit back up. थोड़ा.
Yes.
Next day, if I try to bend, I might just fall.
Okay.
Okay, or if my neck is like this, I'm able to take it back up. Maybe after a few years with long, I might not be able to take it back up. I'll ask someone to push it upper. So it keeps on degenerating. Muscles basically
Okay.
weak होते जाते हैं slowly
Okay.
as and when we grow. My brother had SMA type 2. So in this there are 4 types. 1 being ultra severe, 4 being something chill. मतलब इतना कुछ है नहीं. I am type 3. My brother was type 2 towards a little extreme side. वैसा था. But ठीक है, I mean it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no problem. I mean, there's no point in like
Crying over it.
and just.
I always tell people everything what I even said on LinkedIn, I'll repeat it. एक चीज पता है, आज नहीं तो कल मरना है. खाओ पियो फूको ऐश करो मर जाओ. Have fucking zero regrets in life.
Yeah.
Don't let your disability stop you to do anything. Of course, there are limitations. Maybe you can not do everything, but what you can also do is something that not everyone can do. सबका अपना अपना talent होता है. So there are pros and cons. Focus on the pros, fuck the cons. Live your life.
Man, you're like really an inspiration. Honestly,
Thank you.
sitting with you right now, and I get so much of like positive vibes from you than like even a like fully functional person.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys are all the same. There's no difference, but still, the way you've battled it out, because I know how it is. I really feel extremely inspired sitting next to you, talking to you. You're a living proof that like no matter what happens in your life,
Yeah.
don't cry over it. Just झटको उसको,
Absolutely.
उठो और काम करो and
Absolutely.
smile and enjoy your life.
वही I always say, just दुआ है, focus and roll forward in life. That is what I say.
So,
You have a stress, just puff it in the air and roll forward.
especially you being born in India. India is a great country, but unfortunately there are not a lot of treatments or support systems
Yeah.
for disabled people
Yeah.
compared to other countries.
Definitely not.
Definitely not. We're not trying to put the country down. It's not like that. We're just trying to make you guys aware
How
that-
it is.
how it is, so that we can work on it. Yes.
I'll tell you a perspective of India being on a wheelchair from birth till date. क्या है? थोड़ा लंबा होगा, but I'll tell you how it is. Oh, of course, I've already told you I was born this way. वो सब था. Luckily, my parents have been a very strong pillar. When they realized कि हमारे दोनों बेटे ऐसे हैं, they made sure कि अगर कोई भी family function होगा, they will only go if me and Mihir can come if it is wheelchair accessible. अगर नहीं है तो मेरे mom dad भी नहीं जाएंगे, हम भी नहीं जाएंगे, मेरे parents भी नहीं जाएंगे. So somewhere or the other, my parents did make a very great difference to our lives. But Indian society or overall everything, today you know everywhere things are done up. बिना खोदे हुए भी व्हीलचेयर फुटपाथ पर लेके जाना इज इम्पॉसिबल. अभी खोदा हुआ है सब जगह मुंबई में. इमेजिन हाउ मच मोर रिस्की इट इज फॉर अ व्हीलचेयर यूजर. मैं फुटपाथ पे यहाँ पर चढ़ गया, लेकिन आगे उतरने के लिए रैंप नहीं है. ऐसा होता है, कहीं रैंप है तो उसके बीच में बोलाट लगा दिया है that the wheelchair cannot. So there are many things, many obstacles in India. When I was in school days, so my school has always been supportive. School, अपना school लेता, annual लेता, science day, different occasions. They have always made sure I'm a part of it because my parents have always forced them. कुछ भी होगा, my son needs to be a part of it. But when it comes to choosing a career, the actual time when I was in college, career choose करना था was the biggest battle. I had lost my brother. मेरा 12th just खत्म हुआ था. And हम career क्या choose करें? By then Angel came in. I was learning simultaneously with Shirin aunty, courses कर रहा था. लेकिन मैं सिर्फ ये सोच रहा था कि एक तो इंडिया है, यहाँ पर ना, एटलीस्ट मुंबई में, I don't know about other cities, मुंबई में कोई भी government transport is not wheelchair accessible. Trains are not accessible. Buses are not accessible. Nothing. So if I want to choose a career, I will have to choose something जो मैं घर बैठे बैठे कर सकता हूँ. So I thought कि बहुत graphic designing करेंगे, coding करेंगे, programming, ethical hacking, something laptop पे बैठ के I can do work from home. अभी ये करने के लिए भी I will have to do some courses outside. तब तो ऐसा नहीं था कि हम ऑनलाइन सीखेंगे, वो कोविड के बाद आया. This I'm talking about 2014, 14-15 की बात. तब ऑनलाइन ये सब था नहीं,
कुछ नहीं था. लॉकडाउन के बाद ही
ये सब हुआ है.
became famous.
तो तब तो सब इन पर्सन था. जहाँ भी मुझे जाना था, I went to international facilities in Mumbai also. International, which you will not believe it. I went नहीं तो minimum 10 to 12 colleges and international facilities who provide these courses. None of them were wheelchair accessible.
Okay.
एक भी ऐसा नहीं था जो व्हीलचेयर एक्सेसिबल हो. किसी में जाओ तो उधर जो बेंच होता है बैठने का, टेबल ये लेवल पे गए, चेयर्स इतनी ऊंची. सो वो लोग ने डेस्क वो हिसाब से बनाए. किसी में सब नॉर्मल है, लेकिन वॉशरूम के अंदर ही व्हीलचेयर नहीं जाएगी. किसी में ऐसा था कि क्लासरूम में जाने के लिए there are 7 steps. Every day going 7 steps up, going 7 steps down. So and I have to spend 7 hours over there, morning to evening or something, morning to after whatever. उसमें से मुझे 2 बार तो भाई वॉशरूम भी जाना पड़ेगा. ऊपर नीचे में स्टेप से कितनी बार करूँगा? It becomes so inconvenient. Oh, this was the biggest challenge I faced, realizing that none of these institutes are wheelchair accessible in India. None of them. And that time to so-called special schools or special colleges also during that time, catering to special needs, were not accessible.
Oh my God. What are you saying?
Hanji.
But there are special schools and special colleges, right? How are they not?
Because they are fucking special. You know, इतना special है कि आप पूछो ही मत कि उधर की facility needs special needs. उनको आपको स्पेशल एजुकेशन देना पड़ेगा कि भाई ऐसा होना चाहिए,
I
आपको
know.
व्हीलचेयर के लिए बनाना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक these so called special schools और colleges या जो भी तब थे, at least अभी तो नहीं, luckily the school that I was in, though it was not wheelchair accessible, I have gotten 100% support from them, so I'm very blessed for that. लेकिन जब मैं at least college की बात करता हूँ, which were for special needs या जो who used to at least cater to special needs, अगर आप cater करते हो with people with disabilities, and why isn't your interior catering to that also?
Exactly.
You get my point?
That's so sad, man.
It was like that, and I honestly felt कि उधर की जो trustees है, facility पूरा faculty है उनका, they were the ones with special needs who need education on this.
So, like, most of the colleges are like this, special colleges in India.
Special
Or are there
colleges,
some good ones?
to be honest, देखो इंडिया में ऐसे such particularly special colleges करके नहीं है. There are many special schools. I've not heard of, but yeah, there are many colleges who cater to people with special needs.
Okay.
As far as I know, as far as my knowledge is concerned.
Okay.
वैसा था, and now awareness is raising. I will not say कि change नहीं हुआ है. Of course, there has been a lot of change, but it's a very long battle. You know, like even after I die, there will need to be 2-3 other Karans who will need to continue this to get that change.
And we need more videos on this,
A
and
lot of
podcasts on
awareness,
this,
lot of
to
podcasts
educate
on this.
the future youths
Yeah,
and people whoever is working on this
absolutely.
to like put their best efforts.
Yeah,
You know, to make it the most convenient for these people,
absolutely.
to make them feel like completely normal in the society.
Yeah,
Like, you know, that's the most important part, because at the end it all comes down to all of us being humans, and we have to lift each other, no matter what the race, religion, abilities,
I
disabilities.
don't know about
whatever.
lifting each other, but you all definitely need to lift me up. But yeah, and coming to Indian society also, जो आपका question था, Indian society will always look at a person thinking के wheelchair पर है, बेचारा इसकी life is miserable.
Hmm.
They make up a thing in their mind that this guy is lonely, he is miserable, and he needs our advice. We do not need your advice. If you all are approaching me, I want you to approach me as how you all would approach a friend. Instead of coming to me and telling me कि आप एक काम करो, ये डॉक्टर को दिखाओ, ये आयुर्वेदा के पास जाओ, वो ये ठीक करे, मुझे नहीं सुनना है. I know you all are coming to me with good faith. I respect that. But sometimes you all just need to understand that we already get hundreds of advices every day. You know, वो 100 में से एक इंसान मिल जाए ना जो उसे पूछेगा, अरे भाई कैसा है? I'll be happy. I'll be satisfied.
Just be normal with
Just
it, man.
be normal.
Why does there's lot more things to you than this?
That is exactly how India's Got Latent made me feel.
Yeah.
Normal.
Normal.
They roasted me how they were roasting other contestants. They spoke to me how they were speaking to other contestants. Over there, for a second, I did not feel that I'm disabled.
Was that the best part of the show for you?
It was.
It was. Okay. Have you been outside India for
In childhood.
in
I
China?
don't really remember. But in India, I've traveled a lot via airlines and everything also. They also suck when it comes to wheelchairs and managing all of that.
Flights? What about the flying?
उनकी बातें कर रहा हूँ. They suck.
They suck.
They suck.
Trains?
Was like
Worse.
अगर मैं if I'm taking my motorized wheelchair and now because these are batteries and I need to give them prior notice, blah blah blah, वो सब formalities आप कर दो. The wheelchair goes into luggage. By the time you land to the other place, when the wheelchair comes out, either the joystick is broken, the seat is broken, something is torn, things are not taken care of properly. Apart from me, there are many people on wheelchair who have experienced this sort of thing on regular basis.
Even
Not
if you
once.
like take the most premium package to like send
नहीं, सब
No matter what.
no matter what, because see, it goes into dumping.
something.
पैकेज प्रीमियम आप लोग क्या होता है वो पैकेजिंग अच्छा करते हैं कि ठीक है वी विल पुट मल्टीपल लेयर्स के कुछ ना हो, लेकिन जब वो अंदर जाता है ना वो लोग ऐसे ही धक्का, इट्स नॉट डन बाय केयर,
They just throw it and just like
just throw it.
it's how they do in airports with the normal luggage.
So in fact,
Even if you mention it, even if you mention there's this wheelchair, I'm disabled. Even if you have you tried mentioning?
Yes, I have.
Still,
I have tried. मेरा तो चलो एक ही बार एक्सपीरियंस हुआ था. I know a very good friend of mine who's a film director. He's on a wheelchair. His wheelchair has been broken down, I would say minimum 50 times. And he travels abroad at least 5 to 6 times a year minimum because of the industry he is in. उसका ऐसा एक भी travel story नहीं रहा है where his wheelchair has been okay because of flights only. I'm not even talking about other things.
Oh my God!
Only about flights.
What are you saying? So many times.
So many times.
It's crazy, man.
So many times. And in fact, I have. When they were lifting me up also, I was in this flight Vistara. I think now it has shut down. I'm glad it has shut down. The people over there are not trained in flights. Abhi, see, you met my helper. He has been with me for years. They know how to pick me up. You can see I'm heavyweight. There's a particular technique in which even I am comfortable with, which is also easy for them. I have trained them in a manner. जब हम लोग फ्लाइट्स में जाते हैं से नहीं आप नहीं आ सकते, our staff is trained. अभी उसमें हुआ क्या था, other seats facing this way, okay, other seats are facing this way,
okay.
मेरा व्हीलचेयर वो लोग ऐसे घुसा के लेके आए, so I came in उल्टा facing other side,
okay.
Ideally वो लोग को व्हीलचेयर रिवर्स में लाना चाहिए, so that even I'm so that they just have to pick me and shift me.
Correct.
वो लोग व्हीलचेयर ही उल्टा लेके आए. My dad told them कि even I will come. They said नहीं, our staff is trained. My dad is like नहीं, I will come and his helper will come. Like नहीं, हमारा staff trained है, आप में से कोई भी एक ही आ सकता है. So my dad is like okay, I will come. एक तो पहली बात तो वो लोग ने व्हीलचेयर उल्टा लिया. While picking me up, that guy did not have basic knowledge of how to handle people on wheelchair or patients in general. He picked me up and dropped me on the floor.
What?
I was dropped on the floor in between the eye. आधा शरीर इधर आधा उधर, my ass was in between the eye.
Oh my God!
Because they were not catered. एक तो आपने उल्टा घुसाया, उसके अंदर घूमने का जगह भी नहीं है that now you all can turn my body. And while we are teaching them कि ये wheelchair उल्टा है, नहीं आप हमें मत सिखाएं. See, they are also pretty arrogant in these things.
They won't listen.
They don't listen. They don't listen unless and until you do not fight for it. आप गालम गाली करो, आप 10 चीजें सुनाओ.
But that's very frustrating. When it's happening, when it's happening on a daily basis, it's really frustrating. Okay, if you can tell me certain points, these things need to be improved immediately in India for people who are disabled. Let's keep it 5 things. Top 5 things. What would they be?
Public transport,
Okay.
which includes not only trains and everything, footpaths, etc. Insurance schemes.
Interesting.
If you don't mind, I'll get into detail of that.
Sure.
Over here, we are paying taxes. वो किसी ने मालूम है famous line बोला था, paying taxes like so and so, but giving services like so and so. I forgot. Some politician only gave that. It was pretty funny and it had gone very viral. Not funny, it was actually pretty accurate. Like we are paying taxes almost.
I know. Recently, अभी हाँ. वो इसमें लोकसभा में हाँ.
Okay, so now see abroad, if I'm paying taxes, my wheelchair is also covered in insurance.
Okay.
My disability cure, medication is also covered in insurance. I am suffering from SMA. इसका cure already निकल चुका है. Let me tell you that. It might not work for me because I'm already an adult, but that cure can save thousands of infants in India today. And SMA is one of the #1 reason of genetic deaths in kids. This medication can save thousands of kids on regular basis. The only reason people are not able to afford it is because of its price. it is the most expensive drug in India.
How much is it?
More than, I think, if I'm not wrong, 16 crores or something.
Oh, there's one injection which
yeah.
most expensive injection.
हाँ ये है उसका है. So there are multiple, एक 5 करोड़ का भी है. लेकिन ये सब वैसे you need to take it lifetime. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक बार ले लिया.
Okay.
Every year अभी एक है which you give 5 crores, then it is around 4 crores for the follow-up all years. But even if it's 5 crores, 4 crores, for a common man also it is not affordable.
It's not affordable.
Abroad, though it is very expensive abroad also. ऐसा नहीं है कि abroad इसके लिए सस्ता है. Of course, India से तो बहुत सस्ता है.
कितना सस्ता है?
I think abroad, I don't. It's in some thousands dollars. I don't exactly remember.
Will it be half the price?
Half.
Let's keep it half.
Half तो है.
हाँ.
Okay.
Still, half the price is
It makes
internationally people make more money.
Yeah.
And it's less cheaper.
It's less
So when
cheaper.
you see it in that way, it's way cheaper.
Way cheaper.
India people, the average income is
Over
probably
here, it
15,000.
is all about corruption. Money abroad, this is covered by insurance. Kids who are suffering from SMA have gotten those cures by the insurance company.
Okay.
And of course, they should, because they are also giving that amount of taxes. They are paying fucking so much tax that they are able to afford giving these services. Over here, as a citizen, I am not getting any extraordinary things being disabled. वो लोग बोलते हैं ये योजना वो योजना UDID उसके ऊपर आपको इतना 1,000 रुपया मिलेगा. Fuck, I have applied for UDID in 2018. मुझे आज तक नहीं आया है वो. Oh, that's a different thing. ये सब तो कुछ होता नहीं यहाँ पर. I pay the same amount of taxes as another country, which is charging so high, and you all are giving me fucking worse services than Pakistan also. Worse infrastructure, worse insurance, worse healthcare. कुछ नहीं है. कुछ भी नहीं है.
Okay. So, why are the insurance companies not covering this here in India? What's the problem? But outside they are doing.
Outside they are doing. इंडिया में नहीं होता.
It's just like corruption. You think it's just corruption?
I think this is health. मैं कैसे बोलूँ? I think corruption तो of course है यार.
Obviously.
सब जगह है. I just think कि people over here, the people who are, how should I explain it to you? I think there is still time to get over there. You know that awareness is not there. People do not know.
It's about the awareness.
And इसके अंदर corruption मतलब है बहुत ज़्यादा है. आपको पता नहीं है लेकिन कितने scams हुए हैं. There are so many disability योजना. उसके अंदर इतने funds गए हैं. I will not get into the details of all of that. So many funds, so many things have been put into place. Where are the fucking results? In so many years, I'm not only talking about now. I'm talking about 25 years पहले के जितने भी disability के different योजना schemes में funds गए हैं. To do this, to do that. Give me the actual paperwork कि यहाँ इतना fund ये है, उसका ये outcome है, ये हमने यहाँ किया, यहाँ ये infrastructure बना, ये किया. कुछ नहीं है. कुछ भी नहीं है. Where is this going? I am assuming it is corruption.
See, we are not trying to blame anyone as such on this. Corruption is not there just there in India.
It is
there
everywhere.
all over the world, right? We are just trying to bring awareness to you, which is the public, so that we guys become more aware. We build a better nation for the future.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. What's the third thing? What else?
Third thing, all the types of cinemas, restaurants, pubs. ये सब चीजें, because many people think that people who are rich amount don't go to pubs, they do not dance. They are very wrong. I get drunk every Saturday nights. Please ping me. Okay. So such places need to be featured.
Man, you're so cool. I love your vibe, bro. I love your vibe. Honestly, I'm not even kidding. I'm not sure if you're feeling it through the camera, but like. I love your vibe, bro.
Yeah. This is only.
Yeah, that is the same vibe. Okay, that would be just coke, man.
I thought with disclaimer.
Yeah. He just talks like a bevda, but he's not. Okay, yeah.
Okay. So that is there, and I think education system needs to be improved in terms of infrastructure. schools, colleges, though they are improving, I think there's still a lot you need to work on even more. But I'm happy to see that it is improving at least in that path. And one thing I feel in relation towards disability is educating the general public, which will be beneficial to the disabled society by educating the general public. You know, I think ये थोड़ी बहुत चीजें हैं.
So educating the general public about what disabilities are, how they are also like common people,
Yeah.
like just everybody else, and after that,
disability is not something which is only visible. There are many disabilities which you cannot see.
that's such a nice point.
Okay,
That's
that
so
is
true.
why that awareness is required.
That's so true.
Not only I am wheelchair bound, of course you all can see it. There are many other disabilities which you, for example, bipolar. Depression, I would say it is a disability because it ruins your whole life.
True. It's.
Okay.
I feel like it's worse than like even physical.
Yes.
Physical ability. I mean,
At least आप देख सकते हो,
Yes.
आप समझ सकते हो.
Yes.
There are disabilities which you cannot see,
Yes.
and उसके ऊपर educate करना is even
Yes.
more important.
Yes. So it's not just about this. We are not talking about disability, physical disabilities. We are
Yeah.
also talking about mental disabilities.
Yes.
Some people are born with it. Some people develop it over time. I mean, I'm talking about mental disability, even physical disability. So, one of the most important fifth point which
Yeah.
you mentioned is like the awareness.
Yeah.
A common man needs to know
Yeah.
what are the different disabilities, how they can be treated or whatever. Even at least like a base needs
At
to be
least a base.
given from childhood. They need to be
Yes.
educated.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. Talking about Shamak Davar, you said he's your relative.
Yeah, he's a very close family friend of mine.
He's a very close family friend. You told me he got you Angel as well
Yeah.
in your life.
Yeah.
So how's your relationship with him, and how has he like influenced your life?
Shamak uncle has always been a guiding light in my life. In fact, I was a professional dancer at Shamak Dance Company. So उनका एक है Victory Arts Foundation करके, where there are all kids with disabilities. Then there are people who have AIDS, cancer, HIV, acid victims. ये सब लोगों को उन्होंने इकट्ठा किया है, and he gives them proper hardcore training, makes them into 10 times better dancers than his regular dancers, and he pays them. He gives them a life, through dancing. Like you do shows for me, and he actually pays them. He trains them, he pays them. वो सब वो करते हैं. तो उन्होंने मुझे exposure दिया था. Like I joined Victory Arts Foundation. I started dancing for a while, and तब college का तो option था नहीं, तो कुछ मेरे पास था ही नहीं करने को. Was only working with Angel, दूसरा मैं डांस कर रहा था वैसा. And I used to do that, and we used to meet very often, and he knows that my brother had gone and I was in a very bad stage. He always used to come, he always used to ask, how are you? Is everything on? Very down to earth person, very grounded person. You look at him and you just feel like he'll fill up that missing space in your life. Whatever जो आपके life में miss होता होगा ना, he's that person who will fill that up. At least for me, he's always been that person.
Only extremely nice people can do that.
Extremely nice.
I mean, he's already having so many things
Yeah.
for disabled people, people with HIV and all that. He's paying them
Yeah.
on top of like giving free
Yeah.
training and all that, right? That's like a special person right
Yeah.
there. Man, lovely conversation.
See,
Thank you so much for being here on this podcast.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure having you here.
Same.
I got to learn a lot, and I hope the audience got to learn a lot too.
Hope so.
Thank you so much
Thank you.
again.
It was amazing.
Thank you, Karan bhai. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
It was amazing. See you soon.
See you soon.